Good morning, friends. This is Ben back again with another video. This will definitely be a lot helpful for a lot of guys out there. It's a pretty simple video and a very straightforward one. The idea behind this video is to let you guys know that you guys can tighten your own spokes by yourselves. You don't have to get this done by some professional and just waste time, money and effort. So the best way to go forward with this is to get the right spanner. This is a size 7 spanner that fits in just about right. I think that the size of these nipples are 6. That's 6, I guess, but I just only have a 7 with me, but I think this will do the job for you. And another thing that I learned, this trick I learned from a mechanic long time ago. And it's a pretty simple, straightforward technique, which I don't know why is not being spoken about greatly in the world of internet. But that being said, I'll just run you through this now. The best way to diagnose or to find out if one or two or three of your spokes are loose is to just tap it with a decent sized wrench, or maybe something which is like a metal piece which is quite heavy, and just do this. If you get to hear that sound like that, you know that your spoke is tight, very tight. Well, so the best way to know if your spokes are in good nick, the best way to go about it is just to give it a tap and see. If you get a noise like that, then you know that your spoke is good. Again, that dull note is what you're looking for. Like you can see, I can go on winding this. Now that's made it much more stiffer. So you get the idea. That's how you go about figuring out which ones are loose and which ones are tight. Just look for that nice stiff metal noise. You don't want something which is dull, which is flat. If you get to hear a flat note, then you know that that particular spoke is loose. And well, that's how you fix loose spokes. And once that's done, you can be kind of relieved in the head knowing that you've done your part. And yeah, of course, wheel truing is also necessary, wheel balancing is also necessary, but that's not something that you can do without the right wheel truing and balancing setup. So that can be handled by a professional, but if you can get it at home, then nothing like it. Okay guys, so if this video helped, it helped. And so if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you on ride soon. Ciao for now.